Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Seance of Manor game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and then just type in the Seance of Manor to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Library button if you wish to play the demo version before purchasing the full game. You can also click on Add to Cart alongside your preferred bundle or edition, and then click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just enter your credentials followed by your billing information, and once you continue forward and complete the transaction, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the Seance of Manor game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Seance of Manor on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.